5 things I am glad I knew about Erasmus Mundus scholarship before applying for it and securing a one for my own self. Number 1. CGPA is just one of the factors that actually plays a role in your selection. So overall your whole application matters. This is the beauty of Erasmus Mundus program that actually gives a value of only 30 to 40% to a CGPA. So that means if you have a lower CGPA, you can still apply and focus on the other components and increase your chances a lot. Unlike the other scholarship program which focuses mainly on the CGPA thing. Number 2, IELTS. IELTS is not compulsory and it's not required for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. But the thing is, I would highly recommend you to take the IELTS because that actually increases your chances tremendously. So Erasmus Mundus committee usually gave 10% of worth to a language, and if you submit the credible source, you can actually get that. And secondly, you should know that GRE is not required, and the same thing goes for the GRE. So if you can afford it, obviously you have to take IELTS anyways, so take IELTS before applying. Number 3 thing, you can travel 28 countries and spend time there on a same Schengen visa that you get from any program. So you have to study at least in 2 countries. So in my case, one of the countries is in Italy and the other country is in France. So you have to spend at least a semester in 2 countries. So that means you can travel all across the Europe, not only for the program but for visiting as well, because you have the Schengen visa and you actually get the permission to enter into 28 countries. 4th, you do not need to come back to your country after this program, unlike Fulbright or Commonwealth scholarship. This programs allows you to stay in Europe after the completion of the program. So many of the students actually get PR, citizenships, jobs and get settled here without returning back to their country. And the last thing is, many of these programs are actually linked with the PhD programs, as well as some of the programs are also being accepted by the USA. So let's say if you are in some programs, you just do the masters here and you can also go to USA for just your dissertation for the PhD program without going to the masters again. So this is what the Erasmus Mundus scholarship important things are. I have already made videos on how you can effectively apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship and secure one. You can see the link here as well as the end of the meeting. So do check these videos out and do subscribe the channel, because I am going to help you in securing a scholarship for your own self. Till then, take care. Have a good day.